I want to ask a very little question that regarding that talak, what you explained, I acknowledge. But the thing is, if you pass down the history of human civilization, then you will find women are always being suppressed, oppressed, depressed, humiliated and dilapidated in this country, especially. But as far as talak is concerned, the whole, diverse power, determining power is laying with the husband, or husband's hand. But in case a woman who is in a very grave situation and she wants to talak to her husband, the what is the system is there in your Islam? You just explain. What is the women's power in there in talak, as far as talak is concerned?
Should I give the answer in English or in Urdu?
You can give it in English.
English. Brother asked the question that what powers does a woman have to give divorce to the husband? Can she give talaq? And he rightly said the women in this country are degraded. Islam uplifts the woman. Regarding as far as divorce is concerned, broadly there can be 5 types, broadly. One is by mutual consent of both husband and wife. Number 2 is unilaterally by the will of the husband. Number 3, that if it's mentioned in the nikah nama, in the marital contract, that she too can give divorce, it's known as talaq-e-tawfiz or talaq-e-isma. Even she can give unilateral divorce, if it's mentioned. While marrying, the husband and wife, when they marry, they can put down any clause which is optional, as long as she doesn't ask the husband to do something which is prohibited or prevents him from doing something which is compulsory. She can ask anything which is optional. So a woman, while getting married, can put a clause, is known as talaq-e-tawfiz, that she too can give unilateral divorce, and if the husband agrees, she can give. 3rd type. 4th type is, if it's not mentioned in the nikah nama, that the woman too can give unilateral divorce. Then, if the husband ill-treats her, or does not give her due rights, she can go to the judge, the qazi, and do nikah-e-fask. And the 5th type is khula, that maybe the husband is very good, he is giving all the rights and all the facilities, yet she wants to part for personal reasons. She can request the husband to give divorce, and he gives divorce. That's known as khula. Hope that answers the question.